Hello, my name is Ray Lapuz. I'm the instructor for Math818 at Kenyatta College, the Math for Health Science. So this is our orientation for this semester. What we have here is my web page where you can scroll down or hit courses and view your particular course. Now I have to apologize because we were supposed to have an orientation today, but there was a mix-up between some sections that I was supposed to teach for this class, and that was my fault. And so we won't have an orientation. Instead, you'll have this video orientation available that will be available tonight or tomorrow. So that would be after 1:26. So sometime on Friday morning for sure, you can view this video, or you're viewing this video already. Okay, first thing I want to try to establish is we have an email system here at SMCCD, Kenyatta, CSM, and Skyline. So if you go to WebSmart, which is our process, our way to enroll, and type in your G number and your password, you'll get to your account. And if you go up here to the tabs, up where it says student, and scroll down a little bit, you'll see your student email. So if you already use this email, then you're fine. This is the email that we will be using for this class. If you have not used this email, then you'll need to activate it. Your email address can be found in the bottom, and your default password is here. After you log in the first time, you're going to be asked to change your password, and so this is no longer my password, in case anybody's curious. I have already changed mine. So once you have that, you go to this mysmccd.edu to log into your email account. So that's the first thing we want to do, is get your email going. The next thing, if we go back to the website, our main course site will be Web Access. So if you go to Web Access, you're going to get sent to smccd.nrooms.net, and your similar G number and password will allow you to enter. And when you enter this Web Access, if you look on the left-hand side, you should see your Math818 Basic Math for Health Science Spring 2012 activated. That's a live link you can click on. Once you click on that, you will be in our course site. So this course is broken up into 4 sections called units, and those would be our main topics. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the welcome orientation letter in the news forum. Right now there's nothing there, but anything that I would post here you get directly in your email, and that's the email that I was talking about. I will have another assignment that will be set, and this is just a welcome assignment to introduce yourselves. We will have that at the welcome forum and lounge. And again, anything that I post here will get sent to you as an email form. And then you can come to this particular link, this particular forum, to reply to my email or start a new thread. Okay, let's take a look at what this course is about. This course is about a math review of numbers, whole numbers, fractions, decimals, percentages, and a little bit on scientific notation. It'll be a quick flash review of algebra, just the basics, where we solve for linear equations, where we use the idea of solving for linear equations to solve for ratios and proportions, and then some uses of formula, and for this we'll focus more on the formulas that are associated with health sciences. We're going to discuss, well, you're going to look through notes on unit conversions and apothecary measurements, and other measurements that are relevant to the health sciences. And we're going to do some really basic statistics. So this is just an overview. The syllabus can be downloaded either on my website or here on this web access site. If you click on the syllabus link, this is our syllabus for the site. And it basically has the same piece of information that I'm talking about here in this orientation. And along with the syllabus, there's a suggested schedule. Now the schedule is going to be loose. You don't need to follow it as long as the class is completed by May 20th. So this is an approximate schedule. This week are the introductions, and next week you can get started on whole numbers and fractions. And this is broken down weekly, but you can really, if you want to get a jump on things, complete this whole course within 8 weeks or so. The main structure of this course, if we go back to the course site, you can click on the link again, our course. The main structure of this is that for each unit there are subsections, or there are sections. We have a lesson on whole numbers. This is a little booklet that talks about whole numbers, talks about adding whole numbers. And for most of these you will have, or there will be, some video examples of things, or video lectures. So once you go through that review process, you can click on taking a quiz. So this is where your grade, this is where you're going to be graded, are the quizzes. And it's really all just about the quizzes. So if you click on taking a quiz, you can preview the quiz, or I get to preview it, but when you do it, you're actually going to take the quiz. And here, just a bunch of addition problems, subtraction problems, multiplication problems on whole numbers. Since this is a quiz that you take at home, you could take it as many times as you need to. You can use calculators and computers to do these things. I would suggest that, just for the sake of practicing, you do it by hand, but since we're doing things online, I have no way to control that, so I will just say calculators are allowed. I mean, in real life situation, you're most likely, if you're going to do some math in your work, you're going to have a calculator with you. So I have no problems with you using a calculator. Once you finish a quiz, you can go jump right into the next section. This is an introduction to fractions, and instead of an actual book with examples, this is really just a regular YouTube video that I created. So you can go ahead and go through each of those and then work on the quiz. Now let me view this from your point of view as a student. And you'll see that I have quizzes all the way up to section C in the first unit. I don't have any other quizzes prepared yet. I mean, they're actually prepared, but right now they're kind of hidden because I'm still working on the quiz for the scientific notation, and I want that fixed up before I make the other quizzes viewable. But they will pop up in the next week or so. I'll probably say in about 2 weeks the quizzes for the rest of the units will come up. So you can check your grades as you go along, and like I said, it's really all just based on quizzes. So here are the quizzes that are available so far, and like I said, I'll be including a couple more quizzes for the formula section and for the scientific notation section. So this is a view of your grade book if you want to see your progress throughout the semester. So that's about it really for this class. It's all based on quizzes that you would do after you do some reading on the particular topic and material. and I will send you periodic emails. I'm gonna go back to the schedule link over here. Sometime in the middle of the semester, around week 8, sometime in February, March, late February, early March, I'll send an email, and just to make sure that you're kind of in some sort of pace where you at least finish the first unit, and hopefully have gotten a jump on the second, maybe even the third unit by this time. And I wouldn't be surprised if some of you actually finish the course by early March. So I hope that would work out for you. So that's about it. And going back to my homepage, you're viewing this video because you had actually clicked on this link, but we'll have that available for everybody else. Okay. If you have any questions, remember that my email is rlapuz2@my.smccd.edu. Okay, so good luck with the course, and I will be seeing you online.